All right, so I like to start with the numbers, right? Start with the numbers. So I got 35, 7, and 7. Obviously, the 7s are going to be the same, all right? So what I do is I go through what numbers will divide easily into these numbers. And easily, I mean without decimals, okay? So it is a little tedious, but as I said, as you get used to it, you might not have to do this step as much because you'll just know the numbers, okay? So 35 divided by 1 is 35. 35 divided by 2 doesn't work. You just go down the line, right? 35 divided by 3, decimal, 4, decimal, 5 is 7, 6, decimal. And then once you start repeating numbers, I'm up to 7, then you're done. All right, so 1 and 35, 5 and 7. This was good because we only had to do 2. All right, 1 and 7 are 7. That's it, just 1 and 7. So now we're looking for the biggest number. What is the biggest number that they all have in common? Well, they have all 1s, but the biggest number they have is 7. Okay, so that number is the number I'm going to divide each term by. Okay, I'm going to take out a 7, I'm going to take out a 7, take out a 7, and then my answer is going to have a 7 in the front. Whatever I divide by goes out in front, right? We are essentially undistributing. We are going backwards on the distributing front, okay? And then I look at the variables, okay? The x to the 4th means I have 4 x's there. X times x times x times x. X to the 3rd, 3 of them. X times x times x. And then x squared is x times x. When it comes to variables and their exponents, all I'm doing is looking for the lowest exponent. And that is what I'm going to take out. So the lowest one is right here. I can only take 2 x's out of all of them because one term only has 2 x's. All right. So again, whatever I divide out goes out in front. Now I'm dividing each term. When I divide, what's left, what my answer is when I divide, goes inside the parentheses. Okay. So I do the numbers. 35 divided by 7 is 5. X to the 4th divided by x squared. When you divide variables with exponents, you subtract the exponent. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Right? I had 4, essentially dividing 2 out. I'm taking 2 away. I have 2 left. And then I have a minus. 7 divided by 7, 1. X to the 3rd divided by x squared is x. Right? 3 minus 2 is 1. And then I have a plus. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And then x squared divided by x squared. I had 2 x's, taking both away, gone. Now I am done.